Hi everybody and welcome back. Bit of a mixed bag today really. We're going to be sort of showing you some of the onions we planted and the strawberries. We've got some more potatoes to plant. These come from DT Brown's. It's supposed to be extra early, called Abbott. We're going to be putting on some more onions. We're going to be making a little support for these onions here because they got a bit floppy. We've got some seeds to plant. I always plant some radish and lettuce at this time of year. Gives us a nice early start. Even though I've still got lettuce up the allotment, and we're still picking carrots and kale and all that sort of stuff, cabbages. I've got another onion here to plant into here, and that's about it really. So basically we'll show you what we've been doing. Now you saw us break all these up into their individual pots, put them into cell trays, and we'll just pull one out. And look at the roots on that, eh? And that's definitely giving it a real head start. Pop them back in there gently. And they've got some lovely roots. A little growing tip as well. Just pop them back in. So that was our garlic, wasn't it? The soda white. There's our shallots. You can see we've got green growth on the top here. And the roots have just started, so that's quite good really. I won't pull too many out, I don't want to disturb them. These are other shallots, these are the red sun. There we go, look at them. They do really quite well. It just goes to show a little bit of protection, just pop them in, and then when we go to put them into the allotment, you know, we've got a nice big root ball ready to go. And there you can see these are the onion sets. And once again, nice little root system developing. So they'll be going into the ground in the next week or two, I expect. I can put them over there. And obviously like the strawberries you see, I mean they've actually started to settle down now and grow quite well. So that should be our crop for this year, so we'll just move them out of the way. Okay, so you saw me pot on this onion last time, and I broke off the growing tip when I put it in, didn't I? But if you look at this, we've got a new growing tip here, and these are the old ones which broke off, but they're still growing well. And that's all right. So today I'm going to put this one into that big large pot. I'm going to make some supports for these because the leaves tend to flop a little bit when they get a bit long. So I'll just move this one out of the way. Ooh. Move it over there. Bring it over here. Right. Obviously I've already put the peat in here and I've actually made sure that the pot fits in the hole. So you can see the roots are right down the bottom again, so really it does need to come out, even though it's not showing at the top like the other one was, which I suppose really saves me breaking it off, doesn't it? There we go. Now that's quite a nice little root ball there, isn't it really? Let's pop that into there. Get as disturbance as possible. And there we go. Another Kelsey onion planted into a big pot, because we're growing these for seed this year. So I'll stick that over there. Right. I'm going to plant another onion today. So another Kelsey, as you can see with the roots just started to come through there. So I've made a little depression. I'll let it sit in there for about a week, maybe 10 days, and it'll transplant into the bigger one, same as before, which is quite good really. Right. Now I've got these seeds, potatoes. There we go. From DT Brown's, big supplier they are. And actually they're called Abbott, which is supposed to be an extra early. And I think I'm going to need, well, maybe one little bit of these trays. So obviously don't forget to put the name in. And we'll be able to get that out of the bag without going to get a pair of scissors. Yeah, okay. So same as usual, look for the eyes, face them upright. Got seem to have quite a lot of potatoes here. Got lots of nice eyes coming on these. I mean, the ones on top of the kitchen cupboards there, they're romping away, they are. And they're not extra early, but they're again, they've been chitted up there for a week or so already. Well, that's not bad, is it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21 potatoes there. That's more than enough for a row, or two. I'll leave that label here as well. So that's another little tray of potatoes chitted, ready for later on. Right. Now basically here I want to make just like a little metal support. I'm not quite sure where you buy the old supports I see in all the videos, but they must be somewhere around, so I decided to make some. So it should be something like that. Enough to go around the plant, we'll say about there. Ever so easy to cut this way. So about there maybe. So if we put it like that and then make a circle, just wrap it around your hand. And bring it back to itself. And then just bend that around just to make a little catch really. Yeah. Right. We'll see if that works. It's the first time for me. I think it should do. That's a bit fiddly. Oh, it's only the first one, so it can only get better. Oh, that's not bad. Look at that. Got a kink here, but I think that's an old one. That's obviously an old leaf there because you can tell that. But we'll just put that over the top. Well, I'm quite impressed with that. I think that's gonna. That's going to stop my onions from flopping. Apart from that one, of course. That's good. Right. Same again. Actually, this one needs to go into a bigger pot, really. About there, maybe. So same as before. That's there. Make it about there. Just wrap it around your hand. Back on itself. Sort of near enough a circle. I mean, it ain't got to be perfect, is it? It's just to support the leaves. There must be better ways. Okay, well that's number 2. I expect we'll get better the more we make. Alright, let's try that. Okay, well that looks a bit short to me. supporting these ones, but not them ones. So either I'll pull it up a bit or make another one. I think I've got to make a longer one, it's too short, isn't it? Maybe about that high this time. Sort of make a rough circle back on itself. Just bend it round like that just to stop it moving. There we go. Right, let's try that one. I'll leave the other one in, because that's obviously holding up the leaves at the bottom. Well, that's better, isn't it? Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm quite pleased with that. So I'll just move that there out of the way. We'll drop that one over there. Move that over there. Right, we've got our seed tray. Just a bit of ordinary multi-purpose compost in it. Just sort of pat it down lightly. Ever so easy to do. Right, so we're going to be planting some lettuce and some radish. There's lots of radish seed in there. But just a few, just for the start of the season. That's all it needs. Just pop them in there. Cover them over. Don't forget your label. So we know that side is radish. Yeah. So we're going to put some lettuce. Actually, we're going to put two types of lettuce. That's where we can get the packet open, of course. That's stuck well. Oh, we've got a seed within a seed. I suppose that's keeping the old seeds a bit fresher. Now, you only want to show about 20 on, I thought. I mean, going by the writing, it says there's 200 in this packet, so I don't want 200 lettuce this time of year. There you go, just a few there. These are actually dark seeds. Some lettuce seeds are quite light, but these ones are dark ones. So just sprinkle them. Just sort of roughly over the compost. You don't want them too close. I think that's enough really for now. Just pop them back in there. Oh, it says on the packet, it tells you when to sow, and this is like February, March, April for these particular ones. Same it is, same February, March, so it's the right time of year to sow them. You could sow them direct in the ground, but this gives them just a little bit more protection. I mean, this time of year you've got, oh, what can you plant? Well, you can plant cabbage, you know, plant February, cucumbers, parsnips, all sorts of stuff really can be sown this time of year, which is good. I was doing lettuce, wasn't I? There we go. Just don't forget the label and Antarctica. Oh, that must mean it's cold. Put that in there. And obviously I'll put some more lettuce in this one here. Okay. It says all year. You can actually sow it outdoors next month, so I'm just giving it a head start on the tray here. This is like a nice little, what do you call it, a cos, that type of lettuce. Whereas the other one is more of a crispy one, like an iceberg, but actually not iceberg, but one's crispy and one's a soft one. So when I get the packet open, there we go. So just sprinkle them over again. Not too many. So they're all coming up and having loads and loads and loads of lettuce. Because we've still got lettuce growing at the moment down in the allotment. So time these are up. The ones down in the allotment should really be finished. I mean, we're going around just picking the outer leaves all the time. Still allowing the centre to grow. No actually naming that, it just says all year round. Okay. Right. Excuse me. Now all that needs is a light watering, just to settle the seeds in, and that'll make them all sort of like firm them into the ground just a little bit, so the seeds in contact. So when we water that, we'll just pop it out in the greenhouse, or you can, these will germinate on the windowsill. You know, this sort of time of year, no problem at all. 5-6 days, they'll be up. And I think that's basically it for now. Let's have a look. Got that. Oh! So I've done a little germination test the other day. I had some seeds in a glass of water, not that one, and I just popped them into this tray which the strawberries were in, and so far one of the sweet corns come up. I've got another 2 to come up. The cabbage has come up and the beetroot's come up, so I'm still waiting for 2 sweet corn, a maize and a marrow seed to appear, but it's looking good so far. Early days yet. So that's just sitting on this bench, nothing really special, and we'll just keep an eye on it, because it's not worth planting a seed which isn't any good really. You're just wasting your time. So give it a test sowing. You know what, it might take a week or 2 just to sort it out, but it saves you time in the long run. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.